TubeBuddy is a Chrome extension that you download through Chrome. I'm pretty sure they also have it through Firefox and Safari. So yeah, it's a browser extension that you can use through your browser, and it is awesome. If you're a YouTuber, you're going to be blown away by all of the different things that you can use with this tool. To open TubeBuddy, you click on this TubeBuddy little icon, and then I'm going to show you my favorite keyword explorer. You can go in here. So let's say I put in TubeBuddy review. I'm going to click 2019 to see how it does, and look, it has 78 out of 100. You can do unweighted and weighted. Now, Andrew actually has a video that shows you the difference between unweighted and weighted, so I will link that here because he knows how to talk about it better than I do. Okay, so here's TubeBuddy with a space there, and you can see it really doesn't get as great as the one with 2019. So I'm gonna remove the space and then go back and do TubeBuddy review instead of tutorial and put 2019, and okay, that's awesome. Okay, when you hit results, you can also see what is currently ranking for your keyword, and that's helpful. But let's go over to YouTube. Now I'm going to come into YouTube and I'm going to put in that same keyword just so that we can see what it looks like on this side of the screen. So over here on the right, I have this whole dashboard that I can see, and I can also look at tags. I can look at some other stats and all kinds of things. But I'm going to go to a video that's doing pretty well for this keyword. And look there. Okay, so Nick Nimmin, great videos, great guy. So what's really cool is that you can kind of spy on other channels by using this tool. So I can come in here and see that, okay, Nick is doing really well for ranking on all these things. He's ranking like #1 and #2 for most of these keywords. So I probably do want to add some of those in to mine. Okay, another thing that you can do is you can log into your account by TubeBuddy.com. And then you have access to these member perks. So this is something that only is accessible to paid plans. So you have to pay for your TubeBuddy license to get access to these. My favorite one is Audio Hero. You have access to over 250,000 premium royalty-free music tracks. And I have another video all about this, but it's awesome. If you have any questions about TubeBuddy, or you want to share with me any of your favorite tips or your favorite things that you like to use with this tool, let me know in the comments so that I can see them. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're interested in more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. I think I already said that, but bye.